You're running a business, and managing spend is key. One of the most common questions we get is, what exactly is the spending limit on an Airwallex card? It's a great question because, unlike many traditional cards, the limit isn't a single, rigid number. For every Airwallex card you issue, the default transaction limit is $50,000, or the equivalent in the card's settlement currency. This is the cap for any single transaction. But here's the powerful part. Airwallex gives your business complete control to customize the limits for each card you create. That means the $50,000 default is just the starting point. You can easily go into your dashboard and set much lower, more controlled limits for your team. You can define spend caps for various time frames: daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, or even an all-time limit for a specific project card. This flexibility is crucial. For example, you can give your marketing manager a $5,000 monthly limit for ad spend, and your travel manager a $500 daily limit for incidentals on a business trip. What if you need more than the $50,000 default for a massive purchase? That's possible too. If your business requires a higher limit, you simply reach out to our customer support team to request an increase, which we assess based on your business needs. So, to summarize, the default transaction limit is $50,000, but the real spending limit is whatever you set it to be. Airwallex puts the power of dynamic spend control directly in your hands, ensuring your team can spend what they need while you stay firmly in control of the budget. Do you have more questions about managing your team's spend? Let us know in the comments below.